Hey guys, this is the take 3. So the thing didn't work again. So this is the inside of the turtle. Oh, nasty, boy. Where's the shell? This is the shell. Oh, my Jade is gone. My friend is gone. Oh. Nasty. I need to glue it in. What's this?
Oh, some kind of an organ.
Oh, I feel weird in this one. You're nasty. This where poop come out. This. Oh, I think I don't know.
Yeah, probably.
Like this one.
Yeah. That is its intestinal system. What that is?
No, we didn't learn that yet.
That's its stomach and its intestines.
Oh.
Digestive system, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is so hard. Feel weird. It's weird, but I like it. Just want to eat it.
Well,
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. So long. I'm so tired, guys. Hey, guys, bye.
yeah, guys.